Greetings to you all. Welcome back to our biology video session. In this video module, I am back with one more and unique topic, our human brain. So our body is made up of different types of organ systems. Each and every organ system, it will perform specific function that is known as life process. Many organ systems are located in our human body. These all organ systems together perform different types of metabolic activities together called life processes. Take an example. Nervous system, it is a type of life process. Digestive system, a type of life process. Excretory system, reproductive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, musculoskeletal system, hormonal system, etc. Whatever, each and every organ system represents as a life process. Now the topic is nervous system. Under nervous system, the special topic is human brain. Scientifically, human brain is known as encephalon. When the zygote is formed in the fallopian tube, from the fallopian tube, after 6th day, 7th or 8th or 9th day, after 6th day, the mass of cell in the stage of blastocyst, the blastocyst travels into uterus, and in the uterus it will be embedded or settled down. That is known as implantation. After implantation, 21st day exactly, in the first month pregnancy, 21st day in the mother's womb or uterus, the first organ is formed, that is heart. So circulatory system is formed. In the sense, started, organogenesis is started. Then the second organ system formed, that is neural system. From the neural plate, the neural system formation is begin, that is known as neurulation. First the notochord is formed, then neural tube is formed, then spinal cord and brain formation takes place. So that is a basic introduction. Then coming to the direct organ, human brain. Every organ in our human body located in a different specific locations. Take an example, heart is located in the chest cavity in the mediastinum. Teeth are located inside the buccal cavity on the jaw bones in the alveolus or jaw sockets. Eyes are located in the occipital bone. Nose are located in specific place and ears are located in a specific place. Vice versa. Every organ is located in its specific place. Same like human brain is located in the head, in the skull, especially in the cranial cavity. Inside the skull, there is a cavity that is called cranial cavity. In the cranial cavity, brain is located. This entire skull surface is called cranium, the strongest part in the human body. Strongest bone is thigh bone, femur it is called. The strongest part is cranium. So inside the cranial cavity, encephalon is located. Study of human brain and nervous system and backbone together called neurology. The expert is known as neurologist. Brain is around 70%, it is made up of with water. Remaining 30% only tissue. In the brain, two types of cells are located. One is neurons or nerve cells, which they transfer the electric impulse in the form of message or memory, whatever. Then second type of cell is glial cells. These are supporting cells to the nerve cells. So human brain is made up of with the help of nerve cells and also glial cells. Remember, if we observe the human brain, the entire surface of the human brain is called cerebral cortex, the largest region of the brain. Cerebral cortex it is grey in color due to the presence of cell body or cyton or soma of the nerve cells. Why? Because in the cyton or soma of the nerve cells, Nissel's granules are found. Due to these Nissel's granules, the cerebral cortex appear in the form of grey color, is called grey matter. Followed by nerve cells axons are located because the remaining part is appear in the form of white color, that is called white matter. Grey matter, white matter. So this cerebral cortex, also known as the cerebral hemisphere, this is LS of the human brain, longitudinal. Only one vision, one part of the brain we are observing. Longitudinal section. Section of an object or organism longitudinal to or parallel to its axis is called LS. Transverse to its axis is called TS. So this is LS, side view, only one view. Then the brain is covered with the help of three special membranes called meninges. Meninges two types. Around the brain, that is called cranial meninges. Around the backbone or spinal cord, it is called spinal meninges. So meninges three layers combination. Outer layer dura mater, thick one, middle one arachnoid membrane, thin one, and webbed membrane, that is the last one, innermost one, pia mater, thin membrane. So dura mater, arachnoid membrane, pia mater, these three together called meninges, especially cranial meninges. So here between these dura mater, outer, and arachnoid membrane, inner, between these the space is present, that is called subdural space. There CSF is present, cerebrospinal fluid. Same like in heart, pericardial fluid, in lungs, pleural fluid. Same in brain and spinal cord also. Cerebrospinal fluid is found that gives protection to the brain and spinal cord against the external shocks and jerks and pressure, etc. Protection, remember. Then the entire brain divided into two hemispheres. These both right and left hemispheres interconnected with the help of special tissue that is called corpus callosum. Corpus callosum connect these both right and left hemisphere. Right hemisphere controls left side of the body parts. Left hemisphere controls right side of the body parts. If any damage occurs towards right, any injury, left body parts may be paralyzed. If the injury occurs towards left hemisphere, right body parts will be paralyzed. Remember, cross functioning. Then here we could observe these grooves. These grooves and ditches are there. These grooves and ditches, this entire structure is known as convolutions. Convolutions nothing but combination of gyri and sulci. In the brain, gyri and sulci are found. Edges or ridges and grooves together called gyri and sulci. These are the huge foldings. Due to these huge foldings, these nerve cells can be located or embedded in the brain. And the size of the brain also larger based upon the convolutions size. Best example, Einstein, famous scientist. Einstein brain, it has more volume of convolutions because according to studies, the brain of the Einstein is stolen by someone for the examine from the lab or the hospital or the place where it was kept. And finally they found Einstein, he was used only 5% of his brain. Remaining 95% of brain Einstein not yet used. Then you can imagine 5% brain usage, the foremost famous scientist Einstein he was become. Then what about us? Then how much percent of brain are we using? Please comment below in the comment box. How much percent of brain are you using? Remember, nice. Then coming to remaining structure, Basically, entire human brain is subdivided into three regions: forebrain or prosencephalon, midbrain or mesencephalon, hindbrain, rhombencephalon. So three regions are there. Among these three regions, forebrain is the largest one. Forebrain has again olfactory lobe. Olfactory lobe in the sense sensing the smell. In the nose, olfactory receptors found. With the help of these olfactory receptors, the smell, the chemical can be detected and sent to the olfactory lobe. Then our brain analyzes what type of smell it is, good or bad, or wanted or unwanted. Then cerebrum, the largest part in the human brain, which analyzes the problems, logical reasoning, thinking, memory, recalling, that cunning nature, escaping nature, whatever, respond to the situation, in what way we have to respond towards the situation, etc. These all are 70% functions, all are under the control of cerebrum. And the second one, diencephalon. Cerebrum and diencephalon comes under forebrain. Then coming to midbrain, auditory lobes, optic lobes responsible for vision, auditory lobes responsible for hearing. These both present or comes under midbrain. Then the last one, hindbrain. Hindbrain nothing but the second largest part called cerebellum, pons varolii, medulla oblongata. Cerebellum, pons varolii, medulla oblongata. These three together comes under hindbrain or rhombencephalon. Then here one special nucleus is found, that is called SCN, suprachiasmatic nucleus. This nucleus, it also known as third eye. The special sense it has, our 24 hours sleep wake cycle or 24 hours body parameters and rhythm will be controlled by this SCN especially. I hope everybody understood this brief information regarding our brain or encephalon. This is just the external structure. In one more video I shall meet with internal structure of the brain. Till then, thank you, signing off. This is Mr Karthikeyan, educator in biological sciences.